Hello guys, today I want to talk something with you. First, I want to ask you a question, that is, how to make her beautiful. And before you answer this question, you may ask me, who's her? Okay, for this question, I will tell you later, but I want to also ask you one more question, that is, do you drink water every day? Just like this glass of water. And I think your answer is absolutely yes. Okay, and now let me introduce myself. My name is Jinfeng. I'm Department of Biomedical Science and College of Life Science in立命館University. And I'm from China, Shanxi province, just like this part of China. And here's a river called the Fan River in my hometown. Since our ancestor, we drink the water from this river, and even now, we also drink the water from this river. But by city development and the population growth, the water has been polluted. So let me show you some data of population growth. The population of Taiyuan City is 4,201,591 in 2010. But the population in 2000 is 3,344,392. So the rate of increase is 25.63% and 2.3% per year. So that means the population grows very, very fast during the past 10 years in my hometown. And let me compare the population with Shiga Prefecture. That is, the population in Taiyuan City is 3 times of Shiga Prefecture. I think you will know that there's too many people in my hometown. So now I want to know, and also I think you also want to know, what polluted the river? Yes, this question. So to answer this question, we have to find some data of the water quality. Here's the data from the China government and of the pollution of Fan River. And we can see here is a chemical substance that has a very, very high data in the chart. So you and me also have one same question, I think, that is, what's this? And this chemical substance called ammoniac nitrogen. So as we know that ammonia is highly soluble in water, just like this form in ionized. And we also know that ammonia is toxic to fish and humans. That means if we drink the water from the river, and the water of the river has a lot of ammonia, that means we drink the poison water every day, and it's harmful for our health. So to solve this problem, what can we do to solve this problem by learning from Japan? Because I'm studying in Japan. By answering this question, I asked Dr. Motoki Kubo, a professor at立命館 University, Department of Biotechnology.
そこに微生物がいっぱい住んでるわけですね、はい、程度、そことの接触をいかに増やしてあげるかということが重要だと思いますね。酸素を増やしながら、対流っていうんだけども、そこ 微生物がその汚れを浄化してくれるわけですね。だから水が止まってると微生物が、活性化しないんで、それをぐるぐるこう回す、川の流れのように流してあげる、海の流れのように対流を作ってあげると、それが重要だと思いますね。
So, just like the professor said, to solve the problem of oxygen poor, what can we do? As for this question, I also asked Dr. Tadayuki Imanaka, a former professor at立命館 University Department at Biotechnology, and he gave me a new way to solve this problem in progress. The answer is micro-nanobubble. The micro-nanobubble is just like this picture, and micro-nanobubble is similar to the general bubble, but the diameter is smaller than 100 nanometer. That means it can just stay in the water and don't crash in the water. Also, the micro-nanobubble is inexpensive, and to make the micro-nanobubble, the machine is very, very quiet, and it cannot give the problem to the citizens who live in the city near the river. So that is a new way. Maybe we can try in my hometown. And in the other hand, the city soil is also a problem in Japan, also in China. So, what can we learn about the city soil in the village near the Lake Biwa in Shiga Prefecture? As for this question, I also asked Dr. Motoki Kubo in my school.
昔日本は、そういった下水っていうのは一箇所に集めてそれを処理するんですよ、バクテリアでね、微生物で処理してそれをきれいになったらね流すというシステムが今日本ですごいお金かかるんだけどできてるわけですよ。だからそれはもう入らなくなっちゃったんだけども、一番いいのは動物のそういった廃棄物ね、糞尿とか廃棄物っていうのを堆肥にしてで農地に戻して、陸上でぐるぐる回るようにすると水の中には入っていかない、だから本当を言えば人間のそういった廃棄物も肥料にしてね、有機肥料にして元を回せばいいということなんだけど、今日本ではそれできないんだよね。人間のやつは使っちゃダメと。昔はでもやってたんですよ。私がちっちゃい頃はもう人間のやつもちゃんと堆肥にしてね、それをまた畑に戻してというようなことやってたんですね。それが今はなくなった。
For the future, what can we do to save the river? After my research, I think there are three things what we can do to save the river. First, to pump more oxygen into the water. Then, give more time to bacteria because bacteria can make the water clean. At last, make a good city soil system. This river is our mother river. We have responsibility to make her clean. We also have responsibility to leave the river clean to our child and our child's child.